Alright, in this video I will be showing you how to use Powtoons. At first for me Powtoons was difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually easy and it's fun to use. This is a little video that I created over the New Year's using Powtoons. Powtoons lets you create whatever type of scene you want. You can choose the background that you want, the color, or what you want in your background. You can choose the type of text that you want to use. You can choose the characters that you want in your Powtoon video. You are able to choose different props that you want to use, and almost everything on Powtoons is free. You can use shapes for what you want to put your wording in, or just shapes on your video. You are able to add sound, music. You can add media, videos, and things that you want on your Powtoon account. This is the Powtoon account that I created. I mean, not an account, but the video I created over New Year's, which I'm going to play. Happy New Year 2018. You can have your characters doing what you want them to do. A New Year's resolution is a goal that you want to accomplish or a fresh start. 2018 goals: make better grades in school, get rid of bad habits, eat healthier, read more books. Happy New Year 2018. And once you're done, you click export on your Powtoons. That way you can publish it. But Powtoons is very fun, and like I said, you're able to make your characters do different things. You're able to personalize it where your wording is how you want it to be. I will definitely be using Powtoons in the future. Thank you.